Hey everybody, so today we're going to fillet a few crappie, and we're going to do it old school style. No electric fillet knife. We have electric fillet knife, but I'm going to show you the old school fillet knife, how we fillet the crappie. It's probably something most of you know, but stick around and I'll show you what we do. So what I've got today is this rod of cutlery fillet knife. Now this is probably the best fillet knife that I've ever owned. I own two of them, and I've got this rod of cutlery knife sharpener. Now a lot of people don't like these. They say it wears your knives out or whatever. This thing will get you a knife razor sharp if you're not really good with a whetstone or something like that. This is the easiest way to sharpen a knife. It doesn't take much. You just pull it through a few times and this thing's gonna be razor sharp. I've had this 2 or 3 years. You can see it hasn't wore the blade out or anything like that. Really good. So you're going to be in situations to where you don't have availability for electricity. Maybe you're on a creek side or something like that. So this is the technique that you can use. All right, so we're going to flip this fin up. We're just going to come in at an angle just like that. We're going to turn the knife and I'm going to push down that backbone like that, and then I'm just going to follow the bottom around. That's it. We'll flip it over and we're going to push that right off just like that. All right, nothing left on there but the skin. All right, again, we're on a little bit of an angle. We're going to turn the knife. We're going to follow that backbone, kind of going slow so you can see exactly what I'm doing on this first one. Just flip it over and we're going to push that off just like that. That's simple. All right, now on this next one, same thing. All right, that quick. All right, so we'll wash all this up, but when it comes to this rib cage, you're going to come in here at a slight angle like this, and come back and V it out, and that's what your crappie fillet should look like right there. All right, same thing. Got off a little bit there. Come back like that. And I'm not going to have you sit here and watch me fillet all these crappie, but just see, it's pretty simple. So you do definitely need a regular fillet knife, just old school. I got that a little bit close there. An old school fillet knife. All right, you don't have electricity, easy way to take care of your fish that quick. You can have them done for those that have made it this far. So this rod of cutlery fillet knife and sharpener will be in our 700 subscriber giveaway. This is around a $45 value, but this is what I'm going to send out to someone. This thing comes with a sheath that goes over it, and you get a knife sharpener, everything to stick in your tackle box so that you can clean fish creekside. You don't have to worry about electricity or anything, and you will not be disappointed in owning one of these. Thanks for watching. Stick around for a giveaway announcement.